In this question, you have to select the correct route for the passage of sperms in male frogs. Now, in male frogs, the sperms move from testes, where it is produced, through fine tubules called the vasa efferentia, and then the sperm passes through the kidney, specifically into the Bidder's canal, which is a collecting duct within the kidney, and it is channeled towards the urinogenital duct that carries both urine and sperm in male frogs. And finally, the sperm is released into the cloaca, which is an exit chamber for both excretory and reproductive systems. Thus, the correct passage is testis, then vasa efferentia, then kidney, then Peters canal, then urinogenital duct, and finally cloaca. Hence, the correct answer is option C.